Okay, here we go. Example 1 says, graph the equation. Y equals 2/3 x minus 1 using slope and y-int. Okay, I'm going to go through the way I want you to do this. Okay, if you did this a different way in grade 9, all right, that's fine, and you can do it the same way as your teacher. That's okay. I'm going to show you the way that I do it, though. And if you follow my way should be fairly straightforward. So you can do it that way if you need to. All right. Where do we stop? I have no idea where we stop. Yeah. Uh-oh, you're off on the first day in the class. All right. Where did Spider-Man end up? At the back. Right here. Okay. Come on, gently. Gently. Come on. Okay, so back to the chart here for this. What is my slope going to be, please, for this equation? No, it's okay. It's all right. It's okay. What's the somebody else here? What's the slope going to be? Good. So m is going to equal slope. Now I'm going to make you write that out for now because it really helps you write it out. It really helps you understand to write it out as rise over run. Because then you can see fractions are okay when it comes to slope. Right? A fraction isn't something to be afraid of here. All right. On a graph, what will a rise of 2 mean? What's a rise of 2 going to be? Go ahead. Thomas? Yeah. Goes up 2. Yeah. All this means is on your graph you're going to be going up 2. Okay? So every time you're going to be going up 2. Can someone else be brave and tell me what a run of 3 is? Good. Here's escaping. You should be here if you have no idea. All right, so how do we go? So Keith, what's a run of 3?
It runs like 5.
Yeah.
Yes.
Good. I'm going to call this right instead of that. I'm going to just say right 3. So what that means is your step, you guys are doing like a step thing in grade 9, they did that for slope. You're going to have a point, you know, up 2, right 3, up 2, right 3, up 2, right 3. Is this ringing a bell for anybody? If it's not, don't worry about it. We'll do it here in a second. All right, Branson, you're up. What is the y-intercept for this equation, please? Yeah, -1 here, okay? Right, so the part before the x is going to be your slope, right? And then the number after the x is going to be the y-intercept. It's always going to be like that with racing, okay? So what point is this going to be on the graph? Anybody here? What's the coordinates going to be for my first point on the graph? Please be brave. Go ahead, Tracy. 0, -1. So the nice thing about slope now that I can do is I'm going to start at 0 and -1. After that, I'm going to go up 2, right 3. Up 2, right 3, up 2, right 3, and that's my graph. Just looking familiar to anybody here, I hope, in grade 9 or grade 10? Yeah? Nothing. Okay. I'll pretend it does then, okay? So this is where you get out your handy-dandy graph paper. If you need to borrow a sheet of graph paper, kindly ask the person beside. You can use the same stuff from yesterday. Okay, so I'm going to embarrass Branson, if you don't mind here, okay? So, Branson, talk to you guys, please. If you remember, Branson yesterday put his graph into 4 sheets like this. So he did 2 examples yesterday. You can do his next example right here, that's fine. Now, if he's choosing to do that, please make sure you write something like Friday's note, example 1, or something like that, so you can see what's like. Yeah, you got $2 on you? 5. Oh my goodness, think of a bank machine. Does it sound behind the change on it? I got $2. Now we $1. $1. That doesn't help, that puts me more in the hole. Like, if you know you, no, okay, I'll owe you $1 on Monday, can we do that? $1? No, it's $2. This is too complicated.
Hey, you came up with the idea. This is your idea. This is your thinking, not mine.
All right, so, as I'm trying to find a ruler, there's a ruler in the world right here, you're never gonna find a better ruler than this. As I'm trying to find, now I owe you $1 still. That's 4, I still owe you $1.
Yeah, I can see you just.
I still owe you $1. I don't care, I don't make enough money. Okay. Let's keep going here. So we're going to get this graph up here. So you're going to remember these things that we talked about on yesterday, right? Use a ruler to draw your axes. Oh, I forgot. No, there's a ruler going this class today. Who needs to borrow a ruler? Oh goodness. Okay, I got 9 again here. 1. We got that. 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, that's on a 6. No, say 1. 7. I hope your parents are all watching this video tonight. So see that I'm doing what's taking on there. 8. One right there. Right. Okay, right. So here we go. These are, guys can talk please. So that's 9 rulers. Today I don't get all 9 back. Today I stop running out of rulers. I hate being mean like that, but I gotta get these. Alright, here we go. So get your graph drawn up, please. Get your graph drawn up, please. So we'll do the graph paper here in the middle. Okay, we'll have a beautiful ruler, hopefully, that we're using. -1. All right. So I used the ruler on that. It looks wonderful. Okay, it looks fabulous. Okay. Geographic. Geographic.
Do I have then yeah.
Okay, is there any need to borrow a sheet of graph paper from the teacher?
All that. I did that.
Dion. Underneath.
That's the real
Giving you this piece of graph paper you won't, or on Monday, you will promise me that you'll have your line. That's a promise you're making to me.
Yeah,
Taking this piece
I
of
will.
Okay, so here we go. As far as we go here next, as far as what we're going to do is here, I use the ruler. Next, what we're going to do is I'm going to label X and Y. As a reminder from yesterday, which one is X, which one is Y? Spidey stop there. Okay, go ahead. Y is up and down, X is left and right. So you can write X or X-axis. Sorry, please try it, okay? There's X, there's going to be Y. And you can write Y or Y-axis, that's fine. Okay, do you need paper too? You good? Okay. Okay, next on the thing says, put numbers on here, okay? I'm probably going to go to about 6 and -6. You can go as far as you want. 1, 2, 3. Now, I'm going to embarrass John here, if you don't mind, okay? Remember, make sure that every notch is a number 1, right, okay, for your test there. Okay, so you can go probably at least to 6. I went to 9, I had enough room. Okay. Title, we'll do the title at the end. Put arrows on the lines, okay, so make sure that you have arrows shooting off in all 4 corners. Remember, these graphs should go on forever, all right? We just happen to be seeing the middle of them right now. Okay, now let's give you a second to do that, hit pause in the video, and then we'll talk about how to actually graph this, okay? If you're on from grade 9, you can do it. 10 minutes to meet.